Hello world, here is BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, it would be a very interesting video about Bitcoin. I have some special news here for you, and I have some special TA today for you, something new stuff. Guys, let's start with CoinMarketCap. Here is Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap, and you can see it today. Bitcoin is also going to the upside. On 7 days, it's a plus about 6.8%, and for the day, with 2.4% is Bitcoin in the plus. Ethereum is going down a little bit for the day, but on the week, look at this. Ethereum is pumping with 13.26%. Very nice. Binance Coin is going up with 5.6%, and in the weekly it's going up with 11.6%. Cardano is going down a little bit. Also in the weekly it's going down with 7%. And Polkadot is going up nicely. XRP is going down on the daily, and the weekly it's going a little bit up here. Uniswap is going down here, but in the weekly it's mooning. Litecoin is going up a little bit in the weekly, also a little bit. Chainlink is going down. Bitcoin Cash is going down. XLM is going down, and Doge is going down. But in the weekly, it's also mooning, this fun coin, in my opinion. Okay, guys, that's it for the coin market cap. Let's go deeper. Let's take a look about Bitcoin here for a quick overview on TradingView Bitcoin USD. Let's check this here. Here is the technical analysis for Bitcoin US dollar. And now let's check it here with a quick overview. Here is the daily, and you can see it strong buy that Bitcoin on 4 hours. Strong buy that Bitcoin on 1 hour, buy on 50 minutes, strong buy on 5 minutes, buy. So everything is telling us why you are not buying that damn Bitcoin. Let's see. Guys, for the first, a nice member of my channel. You know, guys, I have a Bitcoin trading informant live stream. That's this one here. You can see it here. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on Twitch and on YouTube. Also, it's named Bitcoin Trading Informant. And here is a very, very nice member. It's named Laishani. And Laishani told me, he said, Bitty, take a look about a chart I drawed. And yes, here it is. No, here it is. Laishani drawed this chart here. And okay, interesting chart. Bitty is checking that, and I will show you in this video now what's going on with this chart. What is this butterfly subject here drawings, and what is with these lines, and what can we await from this pattern here? Okay, guys, it's a little bit complicated. It's not so easy, but I will show you step by step, and I hope you can understand it. This drawing here, this butterfly drawing here, you can see it here. This is a XABCD harmonic pattern, and it's a little bit complicated. I can show you here. There are bullish patterns and there are bearish patterns. Now, for me, the important thing is if this XABCD pattern is bullish, it is a M. It's like the M, and it is bearish like this. It's like a W. You can see it here like a W. So the important thing is if you see a pattern like this, a butterfly pattern, and a W like this, it's a bearish thing. So we should see a downgoing Bitcoin if this is a correct XABCD pattern. Or if we see this one, we will see a bullish one. And I will show you this now here on TradingView. How can we draw this pattern? And you can see that here very nice here on patternswizard.com. You can read all about this pattern here. I will not tell you these technical things here, but it's very important. If we have such a pattern like this, we need the Fibonacci retracement to draw these patterns. And now, guys, we will make this together. I will show you. Here is Bitcoin US dollar. Here is the daily chart. We are going now into the 1 hour chart, and that's the clear chart for Bitcoin on 1 hour. Every candle here is 1 hour. So guys, let's check it. For the first, we need, as I told you, we need the Fibonacci line. Here is the Fibonacci retracement. We are drawing it from the upper side, from the highest point here to this retracement point to the lowest side, and we will click like here. So you can see now the Fibonacci with the percents and with the price targets here, and you can see momently we are over the 78% Fibonacci, and that's an extreme bullish sign, guys, because that's the most important Fibonacci line in a retracement. But okay, for this everything is clear. Now guys, we need this pattern. Here is the XABCD pattern. We click on this pattern, and now we are starting with this pattern on the highest point, on the start of this retracement. We click on here. It's the 100% Fibonacci line. Then we need the lowest point of this retracement. That's this point, 43,000. It was the lowest point, B. And now guys, you can see it here. We have a triangle, and now it's important. The third point here is the Fibonacci line with 61.8%, and you can see it, guys. It's measuring perfect here with this point. You can see it. This Fibonacci line at 52,000 with 61.8% is point B. It's measuring perfect. I will set a point here. Then guys, let's take a look about this. Here you can see it. Point B must be on 61%. You can see it here, and it's measuring really perfect here. So we have to next point C, and then the point D. And point D, you can see, is on 78%. Now we're going back here. The lowest point is here, point C, at 23%. And now we have the point D, and that's 78%, like this point here. So this pattern is now finished. It's measuring so perfect with our Fibonacci, and you can see it's measuring perfect here with this, and with this. And this pattern is a bearish pattern. So from this point, the Bitcoin should go to the downside. It should dump here. Why we are not seeing a dump? That's a good question, because here you can see it. This was the beginning of this dump. I think this was a point a lot of guys shorted here. And Bitcoin is going up from this point again. A lot other guys bought here. Very wondering, they are bought here, and now it's going to the upside. So for the moment, it's not working so perfect, this bearish pattern, this XABCD pattern, but it's not over now. We may see here, maybe this is maybe a bull trap. It's possible, guys. It's only possible because we can draw a line from this point over this highest point to this point, and that's now our resistance. And as long as we are under this resistance, the resistance is momently, I can give you a price target here on 55,700. As long as the price is under 55,700, it's always possible to turn to the downside here, because this was the last high, and now we need a higher high to go up more and more and more. The extreme bullish thing for me is we are over the 78% Fibonacci. That's so extreme bullish momently. So I think it's very hard for this pattern to play out, but we will see, guys. We will see. This is the XABCD pattern here. This is the harmonic pattern. A bearish sign, you can see it. We should see now a retracement from point D, but we don't see it momently. Okay, guys, let's check it again. But thank you very, very much here, Laishani, for showing this here on my live stream. We can see here also, we can press play here, and you can see how it worked here. And yes, it worked from the first time perfect. We saw a dump to the downside, but now it's going up again more and more and more. Laishani, thank you very much. Thank you very much for all your support on my channel. Thank you very much for all for sharing these things here to me. So everything is perfect for me if you can help me. Perfect, guys. That's it with this one. Now let's check Bitcoin. You see these targets. You see these things here. Let's check it deeper with indicators. Let's turn on the MACD. What's going on here on the 1 hour chart with the MACD? And here it is. It's very interesting. You can see the MACD is turning here into bullish, because you can see it, the crossing. The blue line is now over the brown line. That's a very bullish sign here. So MACD is bullish on the 1 hour chart, and that's so interesting here. You can see it, guys. I think a lot of guys here went short here from this crossing here. This was the last point, the D point of our pattern. and you saw it here, a retest again and down going, and here now it's crossing. So it's very interesting. The next thing Bitcoin is making is very interesting. It's still possible to see here a downgoing Bitcoin, to see here retracement. Very interesting. Keep calm, guys, keep calm and be careful here on this point. Do not go in blind here. If you're going in, make a stop loss. If you're going in, go in over 55,000, not under 55,700. It's very important. A very, very hard point for Bitcoin now here. Okay, guys, that's the MACD. We can close the MACD. What's going on with the ribbon band? Indicators. We're typing in here ribbon band, and here is the ribbon band from Dominic. And we are turning it on, and you can see it perfect. We are over the ribbon band in the 1 hour chart. Everything is fine. I can tell you 4 hour chart, everything is fine. And I can tell you on the daily chart, everything is fine here. It's working, everything really, really nice here. Let's remove. No, not remove. It's so a nice drawing. It's so a nice butterfly. We will not remove it. Let's make one other thing here. Parallel channel from the downside to this point here, to the upside, and to the highest point, like B point here, and you can see it, guys. So a perfect uptrend. We are over the middle line. That's perfect here. That's really perfect. The next thing to watch is if we are coming down now a little bit. Here is this point to watch. The middle line of this uptrend is about 54,000. That's the next support that must hold for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will go under this line, we may see here a little retracement here. You can see it here. This middle line is still holding here. The candle spiked under this line, but they are also now over this line, and it's bumping momently. Yes, we have momently no higher high. It's not over 55,700. So interesting, the direction for the next hours here, or for the next minutes maybe. It's very interesting. If we can go over 55,000, that would be an extreme mooning bullish point here, and the next target here is about 57,700, and here the high, the last all-time high, 58,300. That's the next big target to the upside. And guys, if it's mooning more and more from here, we may see a big upgoing Bitcoin with the next target from the Fibonacci. The next target is 67,000, like this, guys. That's the next big target here. But we do not have only the Fibonacci and this pattern. No, guys, we have more. We have so much power. We have so much TA power here and so much magic. And BT, the Bitcoin trading informant, will show you all his magic TA he has. So, but for now, let's remove all. It's too much here. Let's remove the drawings. And guys, next point here. This also could be a cup and handle pattern. Yes, a very nice member, the great werewolf of my channel, told me today, Bitty, look at this. It could be a cup and handle pattern. Yes, werewolf, it's possible. It's really possible to be a cup and handle. It's also possible, guys, to be inverse shoulder head shoulder. I will show you both things now. A cup and a handle, it's like this here. That is a cup. You can think about a coffee cup. This is the cup. And now, guys, maybe I will show you, maybe we are watching now to the handle, and the handle is from this point to the downside, and the next line is from the downside to the upside. That's a cup and handle. I have a video out there also about cup and handle. What is a cup and handle? And you can type it also here on Google. Google is my friend. What is a cup and handle? Cup and handle pattern, and you can see it here, guys. This is a nice information for the cup and handle pattern. It's on the Investopia. I love Investopia. It's so a nice site about this. Here is our coffee or the tea, and you can see it if we are scrolling down here a little bit. Here it is, here it is, here it is. This is a handle, and maybe this is forming a handle now. And if this is a handle, we may see a bullish upgoing line from here with a nice target to the upside. I will show you this target very soon. But guys, more important momently is, for me, this is not a cup and handle in my opinion, it's possible. Yes, it's still possible. But in my opinion, guys, it's possible to see here inverse shoulder and shoulder. If this is a cup and handle, let me show you something now, quick, guys. Here, we must see a parallel channel here to the downside, like this. That would be a handle, and we must see a breakout from this handle to the upside, like this. And if this is the breakout, guys, we have a very nice target. I will show you. Highest point to this, to this. This is our baseline, and you know, guys, I love this. Highest points to the baseline, drawings. Sorry for my bad English. And if you break out from here like this, this is our target of our cup and handle. And it depends always where we are break out. Okay, guys, if you're breaking out here, it's a higher target. If you're breaking out here to the downside, it's a lower target. But this is our mainly target. You can see it about 70,000 is possible to reach if this is a cup and handle. And if you are breaking out to 70,000, that would be a very nice thing. That would be a very nice trade. We have 55,000 now. You can make 15,000 per Bitcoin. Very nice. Yeah. If you are making leverage, you can make millions, guys. No, okay. Seriously. We are a seriously channel here, guys. The next thing I would like to show you very quick here. I know it's a long video today. Sorry, guys, but I will show you all my magic I have. I will show you all things that are possible. You should be prepared for both sides. You should be prepared if you're breaking down, and you should be prepared if you're breaking up. And in my opinion, one of the important things for the moment is the inverse shoulder and shoulder. And I will like to show you this one here. So, guys, look at this. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Where is my I don't see my pencil here. Sorry, guys, let me take a look about this. Where's my pencil? Not here, not here. Here, the brush. I need the brush. Here it is. So, guys, it's possible. This is a shoulder. This is the head. This is a shoulder, and we have maybe the baseline. The baseline. Where is the baseline? In my opinion, it's possible to see a baseline like it's not so easy here. A baseline like this here. I think it's possible to see a baseline like this here for this head and shoulder. And the inverse head and shoulder. We had a perfect breakout to the upside. We had a confirmed breakout from here. We had a retest of this line. We had a spike under this line for our stop losses. And now the retest is pumping to the moon. And guys, yes, it's possible, and it's so dangerous for the moment. We need to break this line here. You know, guys, this line is important from here to here. This is our big resistance. We need to break it. It doesn't matter if it is a cup handle or inverse shoulder, head shoulder, or what else. We need to break this line to the upside. That's the important thing now. And we have a target if we are breaking out with this inverse shoulder, head shoulder, and it's looking really nice here for this shoulder, head shoulder inverse. This technical target to break out from this point here is about this here. And we are here, if we are clicking on this, also on 70,000. So, guys, we are. Let's make it now to the end here. Let's make it. I don't know. I should say. How should I explain you? Now we are. I don't know the word, guys. Sorry for my bad English. But for the last now, let me show you something quick here. This is the highest point. This was the lowest point, the Fibonacci line, from here to here. Like this here. You can see it. The next Fibonacci is on 67, 68,000. Our target, if we are breaking out to the upside, is 69,000. So in my opinion, it's very, very possible to reach 68,000 for the next target. For the first, it's the breakout with the cup and handle. It's the breakout for the inverse shoulder. It's the breakout with the Fibonacci line. The only thing we have to make is for the first here, we have to break this resistance here on 55,700. The next thing is very important. We need, guys, to break the last all-time high with 58,000. If we are breaking the last all-time high, bam, guys, let's go to the moon. Let's go to 70,000, 68,000. Let's rock this Bitcoin. Guys, everything is extreme bullish. Everything is talking to me, buy that damn Bitcoin. But this everything is talking to me, buy that damn Bitcoin. My brain is telling Bitty, attention, attention, it's looking too nice here, it's looking too good here. They may trap you, they may want your money, so attention. Guys, if you are trading, please use stop loss. I can tell you it's very important to use stop loss. Okay, you will lose money. The stop losses are hunted here, okay? But believe me, if it's going down from here and it's going down very quick here, you are in a trade, you are buying here on 55,000. And if it's going down again to 43,000, it is a really bad thing, guys. You need stop losses. Guys, that's it for today. Sorry for a 20-minute video, but it was very important for me to show you all these things here. I will make shorter videos for the future, I will promise you guys, but for this time, that's a very hard fact here. Have a nice time, and it doesn't matter, guys, if you are going short or if you're going long. I wish you guys, you make millions out there with your trades. Bye bye, greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant.